Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited for this video because this hair is going to be a very calm unit. I'm going to make this wig my get up and go unit or my hat unit. Like I'm going to put this wig with a hat and just like if I got to go somewhere 2.5, this will be the wig that I'm wearing. This wig is from Hurela hair. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but this is a 24 inches unit, a 4x4 closure. And I went ahead and added an elastic band. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to add an elastic band. If you don't, like you're just sewing it on each side. Like it's 2.5. For this one, I'm not gonna do a full B face. I just put on some mascara and I did my brows. And we're just gonna go ahead and I just want to show you guys this. Last time I had it on my wig, I took it off because it's not my shade. But I think I'm gonna leave it on because like it's a closure. I'm gonna end up putting like concealer on my part so it could be more visible anyway. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this unit on. This is basically going to be a glueless unit, like a ready to go unit. So it is body wave. I might recurl the hair or I might just leave it like this. I'm excited to install it because it's gonna be a very simple ready to go unit. This is how it looks on my head. I don't know if I'm gonna take this out or not because I'm gonna leave it because I want that part to be bright, you know. So this is how the unit looks on me. Before I even cut this lace off, I want this to be like extremely flat. I'm just gonna put on my hot comb and we just gonna make sure this is as flat as possible. So I'm just gonna fix my part real quick. I'm going to be using my wax stick and I'm just gonna put it all at the top so that this unit can be very flat. I'm just gonna pull that. Also guys, I've had my camera for years. I just changed like a little bit of the setting, just a little bit. And the color is like 10 times better. So I don't know if you guys know the difference, but let me know down below what y'all like. As it feels really good to put on a wig and not really do the whole gluing process. Like once this unit is finished, you guys are going to see what I be talking about when I say this is going to be a unit that you just put on and leave out the crib with. Once your hot comb get hot, you're just going to go ahead and make it as flat as possible, you know. I'm going to make this unit no baby hairs because it's a closure. So it's just going to be very simple, you know. Your store run wig. I think I have yet to mention this. This is 150 density. I like 150 density, you know. It's always a calm unit. I think I'm going to leave this unit like this. Like I don't like saying puffy because like this is body wave, but it could be like less puffy, but it's still nice, you know. Not a lot of shredding. I'm running my fingers through it. Alright. Alright guys, so now we're just going to go ahead and cut the lace off. This is deadass a closure. I haven't did a closure in so long. Alright, like part of me really want to add at least one baby hair. Guys, I really tried. I tried the no baby hairs, like I really did. We just gonna make this baby hairs right here. So I really tried to do no baby hairs, but I didn't achieve that look because closures are so ugly. I'm just gonna put some of my olive oil Fix It Spritz gel. This is basically like a gel. And we're just gonna go ahead and lay it. It was so ugly. So just making sure. And then I'm going to spray some Got To Be spray on my hand. I'm gonna go in with my heat defensive spray, even though I don't really need it. It's just something to put on the hair, you know. So I'm just gonna rub that together, and then I'm gonna go like this. So yeah, guys, I just want it to be extremely flat. Um, this unit was cute, you know, body wave, 150 density, 4x4 closure, looking like a frontal. So I'm just making sure that it's mad flat because I want it to be mad flat. So guys, this is the final look. I am very surprised because in my mind I really thought it was going to be like a closure unit, no baby hairs, but you know, it didn't turn out how I thought it was. But it's still cute. Like, I never thought I could, like, you know, go off with just one baby hair. Like, I thought I always needed 3. Honestly, I definitely do need 3, but we're not even gonna talk about that. We're just gonna talk about how flat and cute this unit is. Big shout out to Hurela hair. I really hope I'm saying that right. We're just gonna give you a little rehash on the hair. This is a 4x4 closure, 150 density, and the inches is 24 inches, and the hair type is body wave. I really hope I helped somebody out there that needs a unit to like run to the store real quick. Like, y'all forgot this is glueless. Like, it has a whole elastic band on it, so I could put this on whenever I want. All I gotta do is just redo that baby hair. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed this unit. Let me know all your opinions down below. And yeah, bye guys.